All right, fellow knife makers, I'm getting to the point now where I'm going to do the final edge on my knife, and I'm going to quickly demonstrate how I do that. I like to use these paper wheels. You can think of it as like a power strop, what it is basically is a paper wheel with an adhesive and grit in the adhesive on the edge, and to cool it and to make it run nice, not to get too hot, you put a little shmoo on the wheel. Now when you order these, it comes with a kind of chapsticky block of wax. I think it's, I'm not crazy about it, and I've got my own mix of shmoo here that I use on the wheel. And what that does is it makes the cut a little less aggressive, and as the blade heats up, it deposits on the blade and helps to keep it cool. I'm going to go ahead and do it now. So what you want to do is go ahead, and this is going to remove material, so you want to be extra careful to have both sides line up perfectly. So you can see there I'm establishing the edge geometry. And I will keep this up. You can see it's leaving the wax here. The melted wax keeps everything running nice and cool. And you want to keep doing this until you can see that wire edge come up. Almost there. A little more shmoo. You've got to run this stuff cool, because once you turn it blue, just polishing that off, it's not gonna fix what you farked up in the grinding. All right. Let's see. Yeah, there. You can see that wire edge. It's like a flippy little edge. See there? A little flippy edge coming up. You can see that wire edge all the way down. And what I'll do next is go to the power stropping wheel, and that will take the wire edge off and bring up the sharpened edge. All right, so I'm ready now to knock the burr edge, the wire edge off, and I've got my paper wheel. Now there's no grit on this other than a little of this white rouge that I'm using. Again, it's like a power strop, and it's very similar to how you would use the 2x72 belt, a real fine belt, to bring up your wire edge, and then you flip the belt over and you grit it to bring up your razor edge. But anyway, I'm going to go ahead and do that now. I'm going to knock that wire off. And it's already come off. I like a variable speed grinder because I don't like to run this very fast. One, you run the risk of overheating your edge, and then it's hooped for good. You got to start all over again. And I've got a nail biting edge now, all the way back, and let's see how she cuts. Yeah. So this is how I do it. I like how it works. I like using the little bench grinder, one with variable speed, so that you can dial it down. This one, the speed dial broke down, but I just have a switch for high speed and a switch for its lowest speed, and I always sharpen on the lowest speed possible on this variable speed Delta bench grinder. Anyhow, that's how I sharpen. Thanks for watching.